Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus GS300 headlight bulb. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a safe and effective replacement. You'll find that this task is quite manageable, often requiring no specialized tools or the removal of your vehicle's bumper. Always have the correct replacement bulb ready, such as a D4 for HID or a 906 for halogen low beams, or a 905 for high beams. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Open the hood to access the engine bay. You'll need to locate the back of the headlight assembly where the bulb is housed. Identify whether you are replacing the low beam, often a D4 or 906, or the high beam, typically a 905. Remember to wear clean gloves to prevent skin oils from touching the new bulb's glass. To remove the old bulb, gently twist the bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise until it loosens. Carefully pull the entire assembly straight out. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it firmly into the socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the bulb, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in the socket, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully guide the bulb assembly back into the headlight housing, aligning the tabs. Twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it locks securely. Close your hood and turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm proper operation. For optimal and balanced illumination, it is highly recommended to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.